Let's get ready to fix that front sunroof gap on your BMW SUV to eliminate the annoying wind noise and prevent some nasty water damage. Your kit contains different sized inserts for the left and the right of the car. You can choose to install one on each side, or you can simply push the seal towards one side of the car and fill the now larger gap on the other side. Let's start by selecting the right-sized insert for your gap. Slightly larger is better. It'll create a tighter seal. Clean up the area and the seal channels where the insert will be snapping into place. Next, push the seal back a little to make room for installing the gap filler. With your fingers, install the gap filler with the bottom snap first, and then tilt up firmly to snap the top part. Make sure the insert sits properly in the channel. Next, pull the seal back in place, tightly against the insert, and inspect your work. Before calling it a day, make sure your sunroof drains are working properly. Test and clean them if necessary. There's no need to use glue in this installation process. If your seal keeps shrinking, simply replace the insert with a bigger size.